Chiahna.
Hi, beautiful.
100.3 The Sound of Southern California with Styx and Renegade off their Pieces of Eight album. I'm Andy Chanley, and hot enough for you? That's the way we used to say it back in Indiana. It's hot enough for me. I'll go on record as saying, yeah, on the drive in here, my car said it was 102. That's at 10 a.m. So it's gonna be pretty toasty today. So to take your mind off the heat and take your mind off the unusual humidity, and to take your mind off the price of tier 3 kilowatts you're paying for to run the AC all day today, I'm going to play great music, beginning with some music from Dire Straits' first album, Next on The Sound.
If you're one of those people who wait all year long for an exceptional value, I have got great news for you. Hello, Southern California. I'm Fletcher Jones Jr. Fletcher Jones Motor Cars has hundreds of brand new 2011 Mercedes-Benz in stock with special low interest rates.
Hi, beautiful.
1.99%. The 2012s are arriving by the truckload, so we must make room for all these vehicles. How about
Parrot.
2011 C300 Sport, $49 a month plus tax. We'll even pay off your trade-in, no matter how much. Dog days of summer might be coming to an end, but the opportunity to drive home in a new or platinum certified pre-owned Mercedes-Benz will never pass on again. Call us at 949-718-3000. Visit us at fjmercedes.com, or better yet, drive over today to Jam.
Fletcher Jones Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz, Newport Beach. Experience the Fletcher Jones difference.
C300 dirt fuel replace 10,000 miles per year, 38,000 drive off with SRP of 38,350, residual 24,544.
Hi, beautiful.
Special announcement for anyone in America currently faced with overwhelming financial pressures due to back taxes owed to the IRS or to the state. If you owe money to the IRS or other state agencies, tax resolution programs are now available that may help you deal with these problems and get your life back on track. If you currently owe the IRS money in back taxes, if you're receiving collection letters from the IRS or a state tax agency,
Hi.
if you're threatened with wage garnishment or bank levy, or if you need to file years of late returns, time is not on your side. Take the first step toward resolution of these problems today by calling the Tax Relief Helpline now. This is the perfect time to build a plan that can get your life back on track. Make this important call to the Tax Relief Helpline now at 1-800-456-2308.
Good boy.
The call is toll-free from anywhere in the U.S. Don't wait. Call 1-800-456-2308 now. That's 1-800-456-2308.
Check it out, Southland. Here's what's coming. Don't miss. Don Henley and Lucinda Williams on September 17th. Cheap Trick's Dream Boost featuring
Hi, gorgeous.
Symphonic Philharmonic on September 23rd. Emmylou Harris, Patty Griffin, and Buddy Miller on September 27th. Further, featuring Phil Rush and Bob Weir on October 5th and 6th. Merle Haggard and Chris Christopherson on October 7th.